Hi there, my name is Joni Launonen. I'm product specialist for Lynx.
I'm Colton Sturm and I'm a Lynx ambassador.
And we are here to talk about this snowmobile, Lynx Brutal RE.
And in this video today, Yanni's going to cover the origin of the Brutal, where it came from, all of its awesome features, and I'm gonna cover what makes the Brutal so brutal and why I love it and why you're going to love it.
The story of Brutal actually starts at early 2000 when Lynx factory, together with the University of Applied Sciences of Rovaniemi and the Finnish magazine called MK, made a very interesting story. They took Lynx ST 5900 with 500cc liquid-cooled engine, and they tried to make it as light as possible. So they removed all the unnecessary stuff, and of course they needed some power under the hood.
Yeah.
And what they did was they took 800 open mod snowcross engine in it.
Really?
So, yeah, and that sled became a monster. It weighed something like 200-ish kilos. It had a wide track, all the power in the world, and it was painted black as this one. It looked mean. And there were some stories of the snowmobiles in the magazines, and somehow people got very interested in it, even in Sweden and Norway, even though they couldn't read Finnish magazines. And that idea, it just kept teasing us quite some time.
Yeah.
It was 2017 when we decided to try this concept again. So try to make it as simple and light as possible. And by the way, this is quite light for a wide track snowmobile.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we put 850 engine, we took the Boondocker front part, wide tunnel, and this track with 2.4 inch paddle. Then we went for testing, and the first test blew everybody's mind. The sled was awesome, like the production sled nowadays.
Yeah, the Brutal is in its own playing field.
Yeah.
Completely.
Yes, yes it is. The deep snow capability is amazing. What amazes people the most is the handling. It's a wide track snowmobile, but it doesn't feel like.
No, it does. The first time I rode it, and I made the mistake, I called it a utility sled, and I was corrected immediately. And the first time I rode it, I realized what it is and what it does and how easy it is to ride it in deep snow. It hooked me instantly.
Yeah.
The 20-inch wide track, I absolutely love. It's such a big footprint and it has so much traction.
So the idea was there. It's a good snowmobile, but every now and then you need to do some little tweaks. What we have done is we changed the steering geometry just a little, but it made quite an impact. And what else is new for model year 26 is this marvelous little feature, flippable snow flap.
It's quite nice. It keeps the sled cool, obviously, when it's down like this, but in reverse sometimes, it can get jammed up like this. Flip it up, it's out of your way now. You can back up, deep snow, everything. You want it back down, flip her back down. The 20-inch wide track, I absolutely love. It's such a big footprint and it has so much traction. I spent a lot of time out west in the mountains. I raced mountain sleds, I've raced short tracks, I kind of do it all, but the Brutal caught my eye, and when I first rode it, I fell in love with it. I bought the Brutal RE with the 15-inch wide track, though you can, as you know, you can get it in two different track widths. This one is the 20-inch with the 850. I bought it with the 15-inch wide track, and it's 154 inches long, and I did the 900 Ace Turbo R, because when I first saw that machine, when you first released it, I kind of thought it was silly to put the 4-stroke engine in kind of a deep snow machine, but when I rode it, I was 100% sold. My buddy was with me, and I looked at him, I was like, I'm ordering one. And I did that year. I spring checked one. And I actually spring checked another one this year. I spring checked a 20-inch wide track as well, because this thing is amazing. My wife loves it. She feels safe on it. Very stable.
Yeah.
She can get through trees, you know, fine and deeper snow, and she can also ride it on the trails. Like its trail capabilities are awesome. I mean, it's so capable in deep snow and on the trail. I can go do a long ride if I want with it, or I can go off trail with it. I can bring it out to the mountains and have the time of my life with it. And it transfers so well, lifts skis up. Like the Brutal has quickly became my favorite machine.
Happy that you mentioned the wheeling, because when we were testing Brutal prototypes back in the day, the first thing we ended up doing was wheeling donuts.
Yeah, even the 20-inch wide track, when I rode it and I was in deep snow, I was wheeling everywhere. I could side hill. I was shocked how easy this thing actually, like, I mean, it can go on edge so easily. Yeah. And I think with the 20-inch wide track, the 39-inch ski stance, instead of having it be like a triangle, it's more rectangular. It falls on its edge, on its side so easily, and it holds well in deep snow. It can do it all. It checks all the boxes off very well. It's not the best at one thing, but it's amazing at all of it. I mean, you guys, this machine is unlike anything else.
Brutally fun.
Brutally fun. Trademark that. All right, you guys, thank you for watching what makes the Brutal so brutal. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below and we're gonna get on top of those.